The red-tailed hawks embody deadly accuracy as evening cloaks the world. Predominantly the onset of twilight they spectacle, brimming with vitality as these raptors silently weave their hunting ballet. Each strategy, unique and supremely adapted, unfolds. The great horned owl, red-tailed hawk and majestic bald eagle, known for their nocturnal hunts, keen vision and ecosystem balancing role, are under threat from habitat destruction, climate change, hunting. Enhancing our conservation efforts for these remarkable is not only crucial natures, but also highlights our responsibility towards their protection.